Today I'm gonna review of a sleeping bag and it's from Mountain Pro. Anyways, before I used this sheet that it was a sheet, a blanket. Anyways, and now I use a sleeping bag. And it's Mountain Pro. It's very comfortable. And you don't need to get in and stuff yourself because ta-da! And this is for emergency because it's a Mountain Pro. Can you see, guys? And that's it. I don't need that's the end. This is like a pillow at the end. And it has double this, I forgot, sorry. One here, another there. To zip up, cause, look guys, I get in, and if I'm so hot, but I want to be so comfortable, I'm not sleeping in a blanket, I can, or my feet are so hot, I can do this. But if my feet are not hot and my body is hot, you can just open a little bit more. You wouldn't fall out, but a lot of hot air will come out, and then the cold air will come in, and then it will make warm air. So please like and subscribe if you are new to my channel, and see you later and next to the other video. Bye!